Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when the Bluetooth device is not working on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will just be following some few simple steps, so please do finish watching this video till the very end. The first thing we need to do is to go and open the Bluetooth services. So we need to enable and start some Bluetooth services. So for that, please open the run window. And we can do that simply by pressing in the keyboard the Windows R key all together. And then once the run window is already open, all you need to do is just to type services.msc, and then we need to hit on enter. Now once you're already in the services window, all you need to do is just to locate Bluetooth related services. And so for that, we have here the Bluetooth audio gateway service, the Bluetooth support service, and a Bluetooth user support service. So all you need to do for each service is to make a right click and then click on the properties option here, and then select the startup type to automatic instead of manual or disabled. Now once you have already set the startup type to automatic, all you need to do is just to click on this start button here. So since it is already running, then the start button is now grayed out. Now once you're done doing this one, just please click on apply and then click on OK, and then please do the same with all the other services or all other Bluetooth related services. So please make a right click again and then select the properties option. And then here we need to set again the startup type to automatic and then click on start button. So once the service status is already running, then that's already fine. So just leave it be. Now click on OK and do the same thing with the last Bluetooth related service. Now once you're done with this one, after updating all services, we need to restart our device. So just close this window and then make a quick restart with your device. And then the next thing we need to do is to update the Bluetooth driver. So we can do that simply by going to the device manager. So please go to your Windows search tab, and there we need to type, or we need to make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go with device manager option. Now once you're in the device manager window, all you need to do is just to locate the Bluetooth section there. Once you have already located it, just please make a right click on the Bluetooth driver that you have and then select the update driver option. Now here you would be asked on how do you want to search for drivers. So all you need to do is just to choose search automatically for drivers for updated driver software. And then after the update, once it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then just close this window and then make a quick restart with your device. After the restart, use the Bluetooth troubleshooter if the problem is still not fixed. So open the troubleshoot settings. Here in the Windows search tab, we need to type troubleshoot, and then you will get under best match the troubleshoot settings option. Here all you need to do is just to click on other troubleshooters, and then you will see here the most frequent section and other section. All you need to do is just to find and fix other problems and select Bluetooth. So click on this run button here so that it will detect and diagnose what the problem is, and after doing that, it will automatically fix the issue. After troubleshooting, just make a quick restart with your device and see if the problem is already fixed. Okay, so that's it. That's a very simple and easy process. So I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.